Tesla doing really good, Will. I don't know if you knew, they just had a record number of deliveries in Q3. And by record, I mean record all time. 139,300 vehicles delivered, not purchased, delivered, which is big for Tesla because it's always been, Elon will always say this. He's like, people think inventing the thing is the hard part. Manufacturing is the hard part.
Oh, yeah.
Actually doing it at scale with perfection, with quality control. Very, very difficult. And so deliveries are what people really like to track with Tesla to see what track they're on.
Yeah. Like, what's the actual outcome?
Yes. What's the output? Where are the satisfied customers? How long are people waiting? So if they can deliver vehicles, it shows they're a real company doing real things. And this 139,300 actually breaks their previous record, which was Q4 2019, and that was 112,000 vehicles. And it's a big jump over the last quarter, which was 90,000. You got to remember, Will, not too many people are splashing out for $50,000 to $100,000 cars with COVID out there. People are waiting, and the sector, when it comes to gasoline vehicles or the average dealership, is hurting big time. And Tesla can still pump record numbers. So it's not just record numbers for them. It's also how does that line look? How does that trajectory look compared to the rest of the industry? So people are loving it. They're hot about it. And as far as the delivery breakdown, as you might expect, it's mostly Model 3 and Y. Out of the 139,300, 124,100 were Model 3 and Y, and only 15,200 were Model S and X. So it once again showcases what we've talked about so many times, how with Tesla right now, it's all about the 3 and the Y. And you got to be a little crazy to be buying the other two because they're kind of dated, to be honest.
And more expensive.
Yeah. And kind of the dated part for me is more important.
Yeah.
I can't get as excited. I'm a tech fan. It's all like, what's new? What's new? Even the Plaid model, which was it's new because you got the extra motor and the thing's flying. But then I was like, it's not really all new though. And the Y and the 3, they got that new, especially the Y. It's the newest one. Now, I'm not in the market for a car like that, but if I was in the market for a Tesla, I'd be looking at the Y, I feel like. But even there, you have people on YouTube posting their quality control stuff. And so even delivering these vehicles, even once people have them, it's the follow-up, it's everything else.
Yeah, it never ends.
That's a lot of vehicles, dude.
Yeah.
So shout out to Tesla breaking a record, and shout out to the Model Y, I guess.